Welcome to FACTOID. Get ready to have your mind blown with facts that will make you question your existence. We're about to embark on a cosmic journey, exploring everything from atoms in your body to the vast expanse of the universe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Chapter 1. Ancient Atoms. Every atom in your body is billions of years old, forged in the heart of a star. You are literally made of star stuff. Isn't that amazing? Chapter 2. Folding to the Moon. If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon. Chapter 3. Chess games and atoms. There are more possible chess games than atoms in the known universe. Chapter 4. Banana DNA. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. Evolution is fascinating, isn't it? Chapter 5. Humans in a day. If the history of Earth were compressed into a 24-hour day, humans would appear just 2 seconds before the stroke of midnight. Chapter 6. Expanding Universe. The universe is expanding at a rate faster than the speed of light. This expansion is accelerating, changing our understanding of the cosmos. Chapter 7. Your unique smell. You have a unique smell, just like a fingerprint. It's your personal scent signature. Chapter 8. Venus Day and Year. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Venus is truly unique. Chapter 9. Stars and Sand. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Chapter 10. Cellular Regeneration. At a microscopic level, our bodies are constantly shedding and regenerating cells to maintain health. Chapter 11. Triple point of water. Water can boil, freeze, and exist as gas simultaneously. It's called the triple point, where gas, liquid, and solid water coexist. Chapter 12. Synapses and Stars. The brain has more synapses than stars in the Milky Way. Chapter 13. The Immortal Jellyfish. There's a species of jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish because it can revert to its juvenile form after reaching full maturity, essentially living forever. Chapter 14. Stardust Humans. The elements in your body were forged in the fiery cores of stars. We are all deeply connected to the cosmos in a very real way. Chapter 15. Betelgeuse Supernova. If Betelgeuse, a massive star, were to explode, it would outshine the moon and be visible during the day for several weeks. This spectacular event would be one of the brightest phenomena ever witnessed from Earth. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A sugar cube-sized piece would weigh 1 billion tons on Earth. Your brain operates on about 20 watts of power daily. There's a mirror image of you somewhere in the universe. Chapter 19. If you could travel at the speed of light, time would stop for you. You'd experience a state of timelessness. Chapter 20. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd heart pumps it to the rest of the body. Chapter 21. A planet made of diamonds 40 light-years away called 55 Cancri. Chapter 22. Bacterial Universe. The average human body carries 10 times more bacterial cells than human cells, astonishingly. Chapter 23. Picture explosion. We now take more pictures every 2 minutes than in the entire 19th century. Chapter 24. The brain feels no pain. The brain itself feels no pain. It interprets pain signals sent to it, but the brain has no pain receptors. This is why brain surgery can be performed while the patient is awake. Chapter 25. Unique card shuffle. If you shuffle a deck properly, the exact order of your deck has likely never been seen before in the history of the universe. Chapter 26, Galactic Collision. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, a neighboring giant. Chapter 27, Black Hole Mystery. Black holes aren't holes, they're dense objects with gravity so strong not even light escapes. Wow, our existence is truly mind-boggling. From ancient atoms to the vast universe, there's so much to wonder about. Which fact blew your mind the most? Until next time, stay